So in this video, we are going to see exactly how to get a free web hosting subscription for life. Basically, you will have access to the latest cPanel, including the Softaculous app that has over 400 applications like WordPress and many other features that we will discover during this video. But before anything, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if it's the first time you watch my video. Now let's get started. So I've already tried so many popular websites like Infinity Free and 000 Web Host, but likely they offer low features in their hosting plans. For example, if we take 000 Web Host, they only provide 300 MB SSD storage and disk space, and that's obviously not enough to make a professional website. For Infinity Free, they provide 5 GB disk space, which is pretty good, but most people still keep facing issues to set up their website. So I made a completely new solution for you, where I built a brand new hosting website that anyone can have access to. Pawnhoster.com, which I consider the best solution so far to get 100% free hosting with much better features that we're about to see right now. If we check the pricing plans, we currently offer 3 hosting plans at the cheapest price possible. But if you're completely broke, you can start with the Pawn package, where we made it as a lifetime subscription for free. And as you can see, no credit card required and no hidden fees. So I'll go with the Pawn package. One of the best features about Pawn Hoster, you get 10 GB SSD storage and disk space, plus unlimited bandwidth and free SSL certificates. Also, you get the latest cPanel with the Softaculous apps installer. For the King package, you get unlimited features and everything. Let's try first to order the Pawn package. So here you can register a new domain with us, or you can use your existing domain. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll stick with using a subdomain. So I'll name my website, for example, with Daily News and click check. Then hit checkout. Now you have to fill in your personal information if you are not registered yet. As you can see in the payment details, the total amount owed is still $0. And to complete the subscription process, be sure to hit the required checkbox regarding the terms of service and the CAPTCHA. The next step is to verify your email address. If you don't receive the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam folder. Now our email address has been verified, and we can proceed to the client area. Also, don't forget to mark the message as not spam, so your emails end up in your main inbox. Now let's go back to the control panel and click on Services. If you see that the status is pending, this means that your order is still under review, and you will most likely be accepted after a few hours. So this is the email you will receive once your account has been set up, which contains all the login details. And if we check the status of our order, it's no longer pending. It is active now. All right, now to get access to your cPanel, first go back to Client area, then click Log into cPanel. And now you have full access to your cPanel account, provided with everything you need to start creating your own website. One of the best things about Pawn Hoster is that your SSL certificate is automatically installed on your website. However, if you check the website, you will find it empty because we haven't installed anything yet. So in your cPanel account, first make sure that you have 10 GB storage and disk space. Now, since most people are familiar with WordPress, we're going to see how to install WordPress with only a few clicks. First, open Softaculous Apps Installer. Then, select WordPress. Choose Quick Install. So here, be sure to select the latest version of WordPress and make sure to not install WordPress in any directory, so leave this empty. Then write an admin username and password for your website and click Install. So WordPress has been successfully installed, and if we check our website, we can see the pre-installed default theme. Also, we can get access to WordPress admin from this link. And this is it. We have set and configured everything we need to build our website. From now, things become very clear and easy. We only need to change the theme of our website and install the required plugins. If you want a detailed video on how to create WordPress websites, covering everything from using premium themes to customizing your website. Simply share your thoughts in the comments below.
So please, whatever.